Hi Blooms! Welcome back again to my unboxing series because finally I got the Fudgy Bar! Yoo-hoo! You want this? You wanna join me? Come here! So may nakaabang ng maliit na bata dito kasi I'm just gonna get the PC and kanya na lahat to. Diba? So, finally, meron na rin neto. Akala ko wala siya eh. Pumunta kasi ako sa section ng mga biscuits, mga breads, and wala siya. Tapos, nakita ko na lang siya dun sa mga parang promo section. And, syempre, not one, but two. Gusto mo ba sumali? Ha? Come here, let's unbox. Pakita ka. You want? Sige, diyan ka na lang. So, let's open this. Para manahimik na tong batang nasa tabi ko. Let's just get the PC. Hala! So, nasaan ang PC? Okay, you want this? Oh. Wow! You eat that one. Finally. Finally, I got the photo card of Fudgy Bar. O, sa'yo na to. At sa lahat ng batang gusto magbaon, sa inyo na rin to.
Do that?
Open. Another one.
One, two.
Oh. This is all yours. Okay. So, habang naaaliw yung bata doon, let's open this na. What? You want that to open? I'm gonna open?
Open?
Okay. Ah, this one daw. Ito daw yung i-open ko. Iba ka rin eh. Hindi mo rin pinansin yung bread So, alam nyo na. Pero kahit sino naman. So, first card. Baka baligtad to. Okay, tama. First pull. Who is this? Come here. Who is this? Oh! It's Taku! Hi, Stacy. So pretty. I got Taku. Sana hindi duktong isa, no? But, of course, let us see. Who's the other one? Bigyan nyo naman ako ng Mikaya dyan. Who's this? Oh! It's a duo. And it's Josie! Let's go! Oh wow! Tuwan-tuwa siya. Who is this? Who are they? So, uwing-uwi yung Josie I got Staku. Yes. Do this later. Staku and Josie. Baka sa susunod, makuha ko ng Mikaya. So, that's all. Ang ingay niya. That's all, guys. I got Fudgy Bar, finally. And see you again on my unboxing series. Bye.